Hi.
Huh?
Hi guys, how are you all? Sorry, ma. I think I made you wait for 15 minutes, right? Unusually. I'm so sorry. I will never make you wait like this. The thing is, I was confused. I was waiting for 15 more minutes to join the class at 6, thinking it was starting then. My problem. Okay, from next week, this won't happen. I am in India, so I don't know how I took it as. I don't know how I took it as 6 p.m. Indian time. You see what I mean? I
Um,
thought it was 6 p.m. Indian time. Yeah, go ahead.
yeah. It's just my network is bandwidth, so I
Mm-hmm.
can't really see you.
Oh, no, no, no. My video is not yet on.
My
Oh, okay,
camera
fine.
finally works.
I am so sorry, guys. Okay. The thing is, I was thinking that it was my bad actually. Okay, guys. How was the homework? I was waiting for 15 more minutes for the time to come to 6 a.m. my time. I was waiting here. For some reason, I mistook the time. With the time zones, it was confusing. I think. I'm sorry. Tell me.
My camera's starting to finally work. I figured out what it was.
Yeah. Can you give me 1 second?
Whose noise is that? Like that? Yeah. Oh, I'm doing it. Sorry, I'm just tapping my laptop.
Oh,
No,
well,
no,
that's
not
really
that.
satisfying.
There's this person like, and
How was the homework, guys? How did
It
you all
was
do?
fun. Good.
Did you do the constellation puzzle?
Huh?
Did we do the
consolation.
constellation puzzle?
Hexagon.
It's like a honeycomb.
It's a hexagon.
It's the honeycomb one.
Hexagon, honeycombs are basically the same.
Okay, guys. Do you know why honeycomb is in the shape of a hexagon?
Because bees make it like that size.
True, true, true. But why would the bee know about a hexagon?
Oh yeah,
Because that's his favorite shape.
Huh?
Because that's his favorite shape.
Yeah, but can't it be a circle?
yeah.
Because it's a strong shape?
Huh?
Yes.
Can't it
It's
be
a
a circle?
stronger shape.
Because there's six sides.
There are
Yeah,
six
six sides.
Because
sides.
it's
Like,
more sturdy.
oh, maybe because it's more. It can maybe because bees have six legs. Yeah, so do
Aha, that's a good that's a good
Neil,
thought.
are
But
you wearing lip gloss? It's a lip
think
gloss.
about it. Okay, can
Miss
we have this
Priya,
as
do
I
you
can't
have
see you
this?
that much, Miss Pia.
It's a little blurry.
Yeah,
for
you're a
me,
little blurry.
my video?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind
Also,
of
Miss
blurry.
Priya, did you like my gift
Wait, let me see.
in the chat?
Yes, 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 I'm seeing. Wait, guys.
We can show you a video.
Wow, I love it.
What's the gift? I never saw this.
No,
I don't know how
it's
to
a
share the.
GIF.
No, I don't know how she sends it. Maybe okay. Let's not play on that now during the class. Okay. So okay, what happened? Why is it a hexagon? Okay, next week can you tell me why it is a hexagon?
Yeah,
Okay, why
sure.
the bee constructs it as a
Wikipedia,
hexagon? I
and
really, yeah,
I'll just pull it up.
I
there's a
can tell
big
you
reason.
now.
There is a big
I can
reason behind it.
research.
You can research, okay. You research, but it takes time to get you the details. Don't be in a hurry. Then only it'll hold in your brain for long. So you can do it, okay. Sorry, guys. Okay, I don't know. I'll never make you wait.
Wait, does that mean our class is cut down, or are we gonna extend it?
What is it?
Wait, does that mean our class is cut down, or are we gonna extend it?
No, no. I'll just extend it. I'll just finish what I wanted to finish, right? So, let's see.
Yeah, no.
Okay. Okay, so you all did your homework. Okay, how about this? We need to go on to rounding. Uh,
But
okay,
everyone knows chanting, don't they?
let's
Yeah,
see.
everybody
They
knows it. It's too easy. What is 3.259 rounded to the nearest one?
Miss
mm,
Priya, honeybees, I just searched it up. The honeybees build hexagonal honeycombs because the hexagon is the most efficient shape for maximizing space while minimizing wax use and providing structural strength.
Yep.
Oh wow, that is
good
so
one.
advanced.
Good,
I
Yuvati.
literally read
Find
that
it
on
in a
Google.
dictionary
These
book.
Okay,
Bruh.
I
Must
understand,
have read
Yuvati.
books
That's
about
good.
it, not Google it up.
That's good. No, no, yeah.
mathematical
See,
efficiency and
see,
physical
see.
forces.
Okay,
University?
but
Yeah, who'd it up if it's a different search engine?
Not sure.
there's something
Google's
called
actually search
tessellations. Guys,
engine. It's not a website.
guys, there's
Bless you.
something called, thank
Mm,
you. There's something called tessellation.
yeah. Yeah. And the
Just
honeycomb conjuncture.
there's something called tessellations. Okay. Okay, for next week, you know what you're going to do? You're going to study why hexagon is the shape of the honeycomb. Second one, what is a tessellation? I will come and ask who all remembers, I will see. Can I unblur
Okay.
my screen? You all
Yes.
tell me that you're not able to see me on the video, right? I'm
Okay.
going to I'm going to unblur and see.
Hmm.
Is this okay?
Let me see. Yeah,
Not
that's better.
really.
That's better.
It's better? Okay. Guy,
Yeah, it's better.
I feel so bad, guys. I was waiting for 15 more minutes. I woke up at 5:15 today, meaning 5:15 a.m. today, and was waiting for 6 o'clock to come to open the meeting. Okay, let's go ahead. I don't know why I did that. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's see this one. Now, 1.92. Now, how do you read this, Arnav? How do you read this decimal?
1.92.
No, in words. How do you read this in words?
Um,
Samhit, how do you read this in words?
1 and 92 hundredths.
Good job. 1 and 92 hundredths.
Oh, I was gonna say 1.92.
Point doesn't help. If you say point and write it as wording, they won't allow that at all. So this should be done as 1 and 92 hundredths. The dot stands for the and. You got it?
Okay, Miss Priya, can I just give them a random decimal for them to write in word form?
4.932.
Miss Priya, I
One,
sent
Yeah,
something in chat.
I will see, ma. I'm not looking at chat now. Vihan, go ahead.
4 and 932 thousandths.
That was a question for Vihan, I think, Neil. Did you listen?
Oh.
4.932. Ah, Naga. 1 second. Naga, see the spelling for 90?
Sorry.
Did you see the spelling for 90? I think I can't sit like this and take a class. Hold on. See, that's why I was unprepared literally for the class. Very sad.
Miss
It's getting
Priya,
late. Yes, ma.
can I just please write a random decimal and make all of them try to say it in word form?
Miss Priya, am I late?
We're not going to play. You're not late. You're not late, but a little bit late. That's okay.
Okay.
Miss
I was
Priya,
Mira, you'll have to expand this 4 and 932, ma. There
Oh,
might
into
be a lot,
word.
yeah. See, kids tend to write like this and it's not okay. In word form, it has to be in word form. Samhit, what is that Samhit? SYBAU?
That's just like random thing.
Miss Priya,
Miss
Hey,
Priya,
hey, 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 hey. Naga, thousands, no spelling. Okay, that was a typo. That's okay. Yuvati, Good job, Yuvati, on the research. Good job. Whatever research you did was good. But you know what? You have to take your time and then explore as well. That is good, Meera. The others, I didn't get an answer. What are you doing, guys?
Oh, I thought it was just for the.
I'm typing it right now.
Okay, no problem. Then I asked Vihan to shout it out. He's not shouting it out as well.
Oh,
Vihan,
4 and 9 32 thousandths.
932,000. Okay.
Hey,
Yeah.
Miss Priya, is the decimal over here supposed to be multiplication? Because it's in the middle?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I was thinking that
So
too.
it's way higher than the bottom.
Okay, bottom. I made it to the bottom. Good catch. 4 and 932,000, right? Meera, that was incorrect, ma. Did you see what was incorrect about it?
Okay.
No.
Is it hundreds, ma? First of all, the spelling is incorrect. Meera, I really want you to understand this. Hundred spelling,
Oh,
HUNDREDTHS.
sorry. I meant to write thousands, but I accidentally wrote hundreds.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, but then the D is also missing.
Yeah,
In the yeah.
that was an
So you,
accident.
no problem. As long as you understand, it's good. Okay. Ritu, did you get that, Ritu?
Okay, let me edit it.
All right. What?
What?
What
Okay.
was that? Real big.
Akshanya, thank you. For Samhit, you cannot write 932. It should be 932 written
I
in
fixed it. Is
words.
it good now?
Samhit, again I have a problem, Samhit. Are you listening? See, this thousands is totally incorrect. It should be thousand and then a THS. Do you
I
get it?
forgot about that part.
Okay, so you cannot afford to forget all that, okay? So when I revise, if it comes up, I feel really concerned and go back a little bit. Don't make that happen, guys. Then we'll slow down.
Miss
400.
Priya,
Yeah, ma.
are we gonna
Now,
learn probability?
yeah, would love to as we move
But I'm
up, right?
fixing it.
Yeah, I fixed mine.
I'm fixing mine.
Yeah. So that is important, guys. 4
Wait,
and
now am I right?
932,000. Good job, Neil. Ritu 4 and 932,000. Good job, Ritu.
Wait, am I right now?
Wait, Mar, now I have to see.
Bro, literally. When I was just unmuting myself, I just showed my mom.
932,000 CSR now. Good job. Okay, now let me see. Round. Okay, I'll ask you to round it to the nearest tenth. Round to nearest T and THS.
Better?
Go ahead.
How do you round decimals?
Okay, that's what. I'll help you. Okay, when you come. Okay, which is the tens place, guys? I'm going to help you. I thought some of you have done it in school. Who has done it in school already?
We like kind of did it. I'm
Okay.
homeschooled. I've never done it though.
I've never done it.
But I know how to do this. I haven't
Yeah,
done it
this
before.
is
How's
I
that?
haven't done it, but I think I know how to do that.
Okay. I'm
10.
going to,
I could
guys.
have
I
done that
think
when I
we're
was a
supposed to,
kindergartner.
because it's 7, if it was 7 and
Okay,
11
guys.
hundredths, it
Guys,
will be
guys,
rounded to 7
guys,
and
guys. Let me go over it and then let you go over it, okay? But if I let each of you explain what will happen, I cannot do what I have planned, right? That is why I'm saying, if you don't know, then I will go over it and then you can listen, then you can go over it, okay? Now how about this? 7.01. Now, round to the nearest tens means which is the digit that tells the tens place.
The
That you can,
zero.
the zero. So underline that. Okay, and then circle the following digit. Circle the following digit. If the circled digit is greater than or equal to 5, if the circled digit is greater than or equal to 5, then you have to make the underlined digit go up.
7 point.
No, here it is not greater than or equal to 5, right? So this will remain as this. Make sense?
Oh, yeah.
I got it.
Okay, now I'm going to show you one more. Okay, you're all going to still going to listen. Okay,
Kind of. Makes sense.
We
109.
type it in chat.
Now round to the nearest hundreds. Round to the nearest hundreds. If we give you that, which is the hundreds digit? Hundreds digit. What is in the hundreds place are now? Yuvati, you're not in the video, ma. What is in the hundreds place? Which digit is in the hundreds place? Akshara, you tell me, Akshara.
Can I say it?
Which is in the hundreds place? Akshara.
I can't hear you.
Which is in the hundreds place? Okay, Meera, tell me.
Oh, I know. The
Okay, wait. I think Akshara is not able to hear us at all. Okay, let me. We can't hear you, ma.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay.
Which is in the hundred?
There was like a pop-up in my screen, and then it said I couldn't hear you for like a few minutes.
No problem, Akshara. Which is in the hundreds place? Which digit is in the hundreds place?
1.
No. What is the place called?
Oh wait, no, that's 0.
Ah, 0. So this is tens, hundreds place. Now, I will underline that, circle the digit after that. If the circled digit is greater than or equal to 5, I go back and increase this. So this is the answer. You all got it?
Think so.
Now, 13.956.
For the one for
Please,
this, I got 7.10.
where, ma?
For the one before this, I got 7.10.
What was the question? Do you remember the question?
Not really.
I think I was in a hurry, you think? Okay, let's.
7.109. That's the question. Round to the nearest hundreds. Because I thought that if you had to be like a multiple of 10 usually.
Very nice. No, Yuvati, that was correct, right? 7.11 was correct. 7.11. Yuvati, did you understand why?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, good. I brought up the the earlier screen. So now let's see this one. 7.873. Round to the nearest hundredth. Do this one, guys. Please in chat, Amma. That way I do get to see all of yours.
Darn.
Is mine correct?
I'm done, Miss Priya.
Ritu, the last zero should not be there. You should cut it off at the hundredths place. In the last answer, the zero should not be there. You got it, Ritu?
Yeah, I got it.
Lakshanya, that's correct. Arnav, the zero should not be there. You're going to. Oh. Wait. No. Arnav, you did it incorrectly. I asked you to round it to the nearest hundreds. Underline the digit, circle the following digit. This is less than or equal to 5. So it should stop here. You should cut it off at the hundreds place. So answer is this. Got it?
Miss Priya, am I right?
Am I
I
right?
gave you the answer. Ritu, I gave you the answer, right? Many of you got it wrong, so I just gave you the answer.
It was 7.87.
What?
What?
Wait, what?
Yeah, 7.87. What
I
he said
got
was
It
that.
correct.
have been 7.88.
No, it can be 7.88. Only if it is 5 or greater, only it can be 7.88.
Oh, now I got it.
Okay, now 6.7892.
Am I
Round.
correct?
I gave you the answer, right, Managa?
Oh,
Round to the nearest hundreds.
hundreds. Oh,
Okay, please tell me this is correct.
Am I correct?
Am I right?
Good job, Arl. I think you got it, Arnav.
Okay.
Ritu, to the nearest hundreds, ma. Why did you write the thousands place? I asked you to round it to the nearest hundreds. Good job, Neil. Samhit, good job. Vihan, nice work. Meera, good job. Yuvati, why are you writing the thousands place? It should not be even present, right, ma? You got it? Yuvati, can you correct it, ma? Naga, Naga, what is going on,
Sorry, I
Naga?
wasn't able to find my
Naga,
mouse.
Naga, what are you doing? Can you explain?
um,
Did you
today
listen
six.
to what I said?
Miss Priya, do you have a game kit for us?
Yuvati, Yuvati, I told you, right, Yuvati? Did you do this exercise, Yuvati? You're not doing what I said, Yuvati. Were you listening? Did you listen to what I said, Yuvati?
Yes.
I asked you to underline and circle. Did you underline and circle? Show me the notebook. You just did what we discussed, then it was easy. Ayo, Meera, not this week, Meera. Last week we played.
We did?
Yes.
Aw.
Yes. Last week we played and you weren't here.
Yeah.
So-
But I
let
want
me
to play
try.
it again. I have no idea.
Yeah, Samhit, that's right. Akshara, what is the answer, ma?
The game in that last one was not fun.
Not
Yeah,
fun.
I
I'm
wasn't.
sorry.
What
So
happened? Why
host
wasn't
one.
it?
Okay, you know what? Yeah, I know what happened. Let me try. Meera is also asking. Samhit is asking. Let's see. Lakshanya, good job. Did you finish? Let me try, guys. Okay. So answer
Miss
should be
Priya,
what?
am I right?
Yes, Neil, that's right. Ritu. Yuvati, did you correct it? Correct. Ritu, that's right. Yuvati, did you correct it, ma?
Not yet. Is mine
That
correct?
is incorrect, ma. Yuvati. Were you listening, Yuvati? Round to the nearest hundreds.
Is mine correct?
Underline the. Please let me finish, guys. Underline the hundreds digit. Circle the succeeding digit. If the circle digit is 5 or greater, then you increase your underline digit. Yes, it is greater. So this becomes a 9 and you cut it off here because round to the nearest hundreds place. So answer is 6.79.
So I technically got it right.
Okay,
Yep,
now
I got all of them right.
0.000
What?
451.
What? How are you supposed to round that?
Okay,
We're out.
let me go with this. Round to the nearest tenth. Round to the
Can I do
nearest.
the other bigger problem you gave
First
us?
you do this, please.
Done.
Wow.
Wait, do I do 0.0 and 0.5 or 0.00045?
Arnav, if you were listening, you will not be asking this question. I
Wait,
clearly
so is
told you
it
which one to do.
0.0045? If it's that number, round
Arnav,
down.
Neil, he's asking a question. Arnav, I did clearly tell you which one to do. Question number 1.
Oh. And that's exactly 5, so.
Question number 2. You can answer both actually. I want answers from all of you. Round to the nearest thousands.
Wait.
Thousands? But it has a 0, so round down.
I'm done.
Wait, I have a question. For the thousand one, the number 2, it ends on, you're saying thousands. It stays the same. Do you still cut it off or do you still keep it?
You always cut it off at the defined place
Okay.
value.
0.
Yuvati, I think you did not get it. I'm going to help you, ma. Neil, good job.
Miss Priya, I'm correct, right?
I am going through one by one. You might want to wait. Arnav, I asked you to cut it off at the thousands place. This is the second time I'm telling you. You have to cut it off at the thousands place. You cannot exceed that place to which you round to. Lakshanya, the first one is correct, ma. Second one I'm waiting. Vihan, the first one is correct.
0 and 55 hundredths for the first one.
I'm talking to Samhit, please. When I'm talking, I would really like you to wait. Samhit, the first one is correct. The second one is incorrect. Second one, see Samhit. The problem is they're asking you to round it to the nearest thousands. So the number should have some digits till the thousands place. The number should have some digits till the thousands place. Lakshanya. The second, Lakshanya, how ma? The number should have Seema. If you're rounding it to the nearest thousands, right? Samhit and Lakshanya. The number should have something till here, right? That is where you will cut off. Did you understand that, Lakshanya? Okay. Now, what did you want to say, Yuvati? I'm waiting to understand what you wanted to say.
So for the first one, I got 0 and 55
No.
hundredths.
You're not going to shout out your answer, please. You wanted to say something, please say.
Oh, we're
No,
also supposed to do the second one. Okay.
Yes, both. Okay, that's good, Arnav. That is correct. Whatever you did was correct for the second one. Good job, Yuvati, on the second one. Very nice. Ritu, second one is perfectly right. Akshara, see how nicely the class progresses if you all not start talk at the same time. The class progresses very well when we are able to wait, hear, listen, talk out.
Can we
Very
do a
nice,
group chat
Naga.
today?
Naga, the first one.
Okay, Miss
Oh,
Priya.
Miss Priya.
Naga, the first one is incorrect. Why did you do that, Naga?
Oh.
What
Wait.
is the answer? Correct it now. Come on, quick.
Wait, which
Yeah.
one?
I corrected mine.
Naga, I told you the first one.
Oh, so number 1.
Yeah. Meera, that's correct. Yeah, Meera, that is incorrect, Meera. How? See, Meera, you have to cut it at the thousands place, right?
Oh, yeah.
You got it. So what should be the answer?
0.0. Wait, so we have to cut it off at the thousands place or cut it off?
Yes, you have to cut it off at the thousand. You want to know how to cut it off? I'll show you. You have to cut it off right here. For this one, you have to cut it off right in the tens place. So
0.
now, yeah, 0.000 is the answer. For this one, 0.5
Is that
is the
equal to
answer.
0?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that tricked me.
Okay. Yeah,
Never
yeah.
got any question that show a number that will round to
Oh,
0.
yeah.
Yeah, that tricked all of you. That's fine. That's why
Wait,
I
what was
gave
the
you
answer?
that.
I was like doing other stuff.
Oopsies.
Yeah. Now, in this number, Gimkit, I'll try checking. Okay.
Yay!
I will try checking, ma. I'm not saying because see what is going on is I'll tell you. Gimkit, I don't want to take away the class time today, okay? But the thing is, last week when we played, there was some problem at the end. That's why kids didn't like it, or neither I nor the kid nor you all liked it. I know that, okay? So I really want to provide that. Can I assign that as homework, Gimkit?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you try to do
No.
that every time?
No, not as
Every
homework because.
Yeah,
uh,
because when it's homework, it always usually messes up.
And I
Yeah,
don't
and
have time to do
It always
it.
glitches.
I don't
okay,
have
okay,
time to do it.
So it
And
always
no problem.
you
glitches.
play by yourself,
Okay,
making the game feel a little bored and you may feel lonely.
Yeah,
okay,
exactly.
Unless
okay.
you film it at the same
I
time.
want, okay, Gimkit then we'll do next week, okay? I want to round to the nearest because I will be in my place as well next Monday.
It's okay. I can host a GIMP kit.
Not really today, not really this week.
No,
I
please.
want to round, I want to round to the nearest 10th, okay?
Fine, maybe at the end of class.
And answer has to be 0. Read it well and then do. Read well and then answer.
Miss Pia, what does it mean when it says answer has to 0 and 4/10?
Answer has to be.
Oh,
Sorry.
answer has to be 0.4. Okay.
Miss Priya, can you put this like as homework? Like just one question?
One, okay, ma.
Okay, thank you.
I put the decimal and the missing digit is anyways.
Yeah, I'm thinking about the
Bold,
problem.
italic, and underlined.
Go ahead. I want to round to the nearest 10th and the answer has to be 0.4. If I round the same number to the nearest 100, the answer has to be 0.45. So, what is the missing digit? I just need the missing digit. You have to listen to the question and give me just the answer. You have to give me just the answer. See, that is also a skill you develop. What is asked? What can be the missing digit? So, the answer has to be a single digit. Meera, that is incorrect, ma.
No, that's my other previous
Answer. Yes, I understood. Okay.
Did I get it correct?
No, ma. No, Naga.
What?
Can you give us a clue, Miss Priya?
Okay.
Miss Priya, I have a question. Like, you know the game kit thing, right? Like, if you host it at the very end, but like, you like don't end it, and like you just keep it and then like mute the tab, and like you just like we can just play it after class.
Yeah, sure, I can host one.
No, I'm saying Miss Pia, because not everyone can go in, Mia.
Oh, yeah.
But you can go there's one part in GimGit Creative and GimGit where 60 players in total can join
Yeah, but
a game.
that's
It's called
hacking.
GimGit Creative,
Okay,
and you have
guys,
3 games
guys,
in it
How
in
about
total.
2 people host a game?
Yeah.
guys,
I
No,
can.
guys,
Okay.
guys, I'll stop the class if you all go on keep on talking about GimKit. Okay? I'll forever ban the GimKit. Let's please go over this problem. We will do the GimKit next week. I'll be the host. I will get you to do a nice GimKit, I promise. Is that okay?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
is it
Let's go
okay if
ahead.
we host
So,
one together after class?
not today, ma. 0.4 dash 5. Okay, so I want you to tell me what is the missing digit. Naga, the answer has to be a single digit. Okay,
Oh, I
what
didn't
is the
put
missing
any answer.
digit?
I just came back from getting my charger. That was the
Sure,
last
sure,
one.
sure, sure. So the answer has to be a single digit. I want to round to the nearest tenth, and the answer has to be 0.4 if I round to the nearest tenth. If I round to the nearest hundred, the answer for that rounding to the nearest hundredths should be 0.45. What can be the missing digit?
But I'm not correct.
What can be the missing digit?
Oh my god.
Think about it. Put 1 here and see, put 2 here and see, put 3 here and see what works. That's the best clue, Mira. Try putting some digits and see.
Wait,
You'll
Miss
understand.
Priya, am I
Yes.
Alright.
Yes.
correct?
5?
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Wait, Miss Priya, am I correct?
Alright.
This is really tricky.
Can I explain this one if I got it right?
Let me see, ma.
Miss Priya, can you still help me a bit? I still don't get it.
That's fine, absolutely okay. I'm going to explain it. I'll check the answers. I'll slowly explain it. No problem at all.
Okay, till then I'll keep thinking about it.
If I round it to the nearest hundreds, Arnav, round your number to the nearest hundred and see is it working?
Oh shit, 0.
Who's texting?
Yeah, who's texting?
Four is the
That's
missing digit. 4 is the missing digit. You see, okay. Naga, yes, you can explain, ma. I think you got it, Naga.
Wait, am I correct?
Lakshanya, Lakshanya. Did you send the answer, Lakshanya?
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah,
Wait, no,
Ritu,
it's
I'm
not
waiting for
this.
your answer. Samhit.
Miss Priya, resend my answer.
Samhit, I think you got it. Samhit and Naga, you got it. Yuvati, you got it. Neil, good job, Neil. Okay, Naga, go ahead and Vihan, where is your answer, Vihan? Don't make me ask one by one, guys. Vihan, where is your answer?
I'm still trying to figure it
Can I explain? Can I start explaining? Yeah.
What is it, ma?
Can I start explaining?
Yeah, yeah, please, Naga.
yeah, I need an
Naga, go ahead.
explanation.
Okay. So I did the same thing as Miss Priya said. I started taking digits and putting them in. And then one did break because 5, it's equal to 5. So then that'll become 2. It didn't break. 2, it would become 3. 4, then when I went to 4, 5 is equal to 5. So then 4 became a 5. And it said if I round to the nearest hundredths place, the answer is 0.45. So I knew that was the answer.
Did that make sense? Okay, so good Naga, 0.4 dash 5. Now, I put some digits and round it to the nearest tenth. I can put 1. Round it to the nearest tenth. It can be, yes, it's working. I put 2, rounded to the nearest tenth. It's still this great. 0.1 works, meaning the digit being 1 works, the digit being 2 works, the digit being 3 works, the digit being 4 even works. Good job. 3 also works, 4 also works. If you put a 5 here, what happens if you round to the nearest tenth? It will become 0.5, which is not what we want, so 5 doesn't work. The only digits that work for rounding to tens are 1, 2, 3, 4. However, if I want to round the same number, these are all possibilities. These are all possibilities if you round to the nearest tenth. But if you round to the nearest hundredth, it has to increase. It has to increase means if you round to the nearest hundreds, okay, wait. 1 second. 1 second, guys. Round to the nearest tenth, these work. Round to the nearest hundreds, what works? The question says it has to be 0.45. If I round this to the nearest 100, it will be 0.42. This one will be 0.43. This one will be 44. This one will be 45. So this is the answer. Any questions? Any
Nope.
questions? Meera, did you get that, ma?
Yeah, I got it.
You think I can move on?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, yeah.
Okay, this is a tricky question. What is the smallest? Let me take the smallest. This is a very good one. Oh, what did I do, guys? To the nearest 100.
Can you give us a clue? Because that's a lot.
Wait, is that 5.00 or is 5.50? Oh.
Yeah.
Thank you, Samhit, for asking. Go ahead.
Hundreds. Oh my god.
Miss Priya, can you give us like a hint, like a little bit, so I could solve it easier?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's the
Definitely,
answer?
definitely,
Am I
definitely.
correct?
I mean, did
Okay.
I get it correct?
Alright.
Let me ask you this. Write down numbers. Write down a few numbers. Write down and see. Don't think. Don't from your brain looking at the number. Don't think. Write down a few numbers that can round to 5.00 when you round it to the nearest hundredth. You will get a pattern. You will quickly understand what is the answer for this. Write it down. Write it
I
down.
already got it in my
What
mind.
are the numbers that can round to 5.00 when you round it to the nearest hundredth? Write it down rather than just blindly staring at it and thinking. You will be amazed to see.
Okay, let me try it.
Yeah, I tell you that works. What's the
Okay.
smallest number that rounds to 5.00 when you round it to the nearest hundredth?
How do we find out? Oh,
I forgot something.
Am I correct?
Miss Priya, did I get it correct?
Miss Priya, did I get it correct?
1 second, why I'm not able to see anything? Oh,
Okay. Okay.
okay. Neil has an answer.
I do not.
Wow. Neil, very nice, Neil. Good to know what you did.
So I wrote one number down, but I still don't get it though. I'm not able to
No.
find out other numbers.
Imagine if in the first place I thought the answer was 4.950000000000000000. Unlimited amount of zeros and then a 1. But it rounds to 4.9.
Okay, Yuvati, you are on the right track. but not really. There are smaller numbers that round to the 5.00.
I don't
Ritu, you
know.
made it, Ritu. Good job. Lakshanya, there are Lakshanya, if you're rounding to the nearest hundredth, then what type of number can be rounded to the nearest hundredth? The number should have its thousands place, right, Lakshanya? The number that you write should have a thousands place. Then only it can be rounded to the nearest hundredth, right, ma?
Yes, Priya.
Yuvati, that's not Yuvati, please see, ma. See, you have given a number with only the hundreds place. Whatever number you have given can be rounded to only tens, not hundreds. Lakshanya and Yuvati, whatever number you have given, it can be rounded only to the nearest tenth, not the hundreds.
I don't understand.
Okay, no problem.
Me neither.
Not really, Arnav. Vihan, I'll give you clues. I'm still not going to get you the answer. How about this? Suppose if you have a number like this can be rounded to the nearest tenth only, because it, or at least one digit it has to go back. So if you have to round it to the nearest hundredth, your answer should contain 3 digits. What is this digit determines how it will be rounded to, correct? Now for this one to be rounded to 5.00, when you think about it, yeah, everybody says 5.001, 5.002. These all can be rounded. 5.003, 5.004. These all can be rounded to the nearest hundreds. So this will become 5.00. This will become 5.00. 5.00. No, not really, Vihan. 5.00. Everything is great. They're asking for the smallest number. If they're asking for the smallest number, I cannot just like that blindly say it is 5.001. I cannot say that. Why? Because I have to check for numbers. Are there any smaller number than this? What is smaller than this? What is one smaller than this? What is 1000 smaller than this? What is the number? 5.000. What is smaller than this?
4.9.
990. 995. Sorry.
4.990. Now, here can we try? Does this round, this rounds to 5.00. What does this round to? What does this round to the nearest hundred? Huh?
Oh, 4.98.
No. This
Nine.
one.
I mean, oh,
This one is a 5 in the thousands place. Rounded to the nearest hundred. What happens?
4.100.
4.995. Guys, underline the digit to which you need to round to and circle the following digit. That circling digit is
It's
greater than
actually
5. So let me finish. Then we go back. Then I go back and increment this digit to a 0, but it overflows again because it becomes a 10, it overflows. Again, this becomes a 10, it overflows, and then that 1 comes here, it becomes a 5. So this also rounds to 5.00. 4.990, when I round it to the nearest hundredth, 0 is less than 5, so it remains as 4.99. So, what is that number? Smallest number that rounds to 5.000. The answer is this. Now, I'll wait to hear all your questions. What are your questions, guys?
I don't have any questions.
Keep it, Lucas.
What are your questions?
got it.
Good job. Now I'm going to ask you more. Okay.
But it's already past class time.
That's okay, but we started late, right? I know it's already past. You're all bored now, I will leave it, but it's important that I also finish, right? Is it okay if I continue for 5 more minutes?
Okay.
Thank you, guys. Okay, now let's try this one. So rounding you all understand, but you need to think a lot, okay, before you answer the questions that we have. How about adding decimals? 4.31, when I add it to 3.99, what it becomes?
Oh, I know.
I know.
Can I
know.
say how to do it, please?
I
Yeah,
know
you
how to do
want,
it.
okay, great. Mira, you want to explain?
Yeah. So you just
On the board.
align. So just okay. I'll explain it on the board.
Okay.
So all you need to do is Wait, I'm just trying to get this thing to work. Okay, does mine work?
Can I explain?
Okay, let me just explain it without this. Something's wrong with it. Oh, never mind. Okay, so you just have to align the decimal points and then
Like
add the
normal addition, except you know where to add the decimal.
Yeah, you have to add the decimal
Let's
points.
allow one of them to explain. Arno, I can give you the turn later, but I really want one of you to talk during the class. Go ahead.
So then you put so you do that carryover and then all that stuff.
Yeah, but I got a better strategy.
Yeah, I think I'm done.
Good job.
I
So
solved it in a different way.
alignment is very important. The
I solved it
alignment
in a
4
different way.
Neil, you have to wait a minute to say that. Let me finish. 4.31, 3.99. Now, this alignment on the dot, right? See, the dot is aligned properly. Now, suppose if you have 4.31 plus 3.9, how do you align it, guys? 4.31, then the dot has to be perfectly aligned. Now, there is a missing digit, you put a 0 and then add them together.
Just wondering,
Okay,
Miss
now,
Priya, how do you,
Neil, mm.
just wondering, how do you write so neatly on the board?
Oh, I have a pen, ma.
Oh, you're using a pen. No
Yes.
wonder.
That's why, yeah. So now, Neil, go ahead and explain your strategy. Arnav, I'll give you a problem. Arnav, you wanted to explain, right? I will give you. Neil, go ahead
Wait,
and
can
tell
we
what
do
is your
problems
strategy.
on the board?
Plus
Yeah, you can do next.
3.99. So
Mm-hmm.
I first found out that 3.99 is super close to a whole number. Just only 100, which we can cross that number out and we can change it to 4. Now we have 4.31 plus 4. Now we can add those two. And then we can subtract the 100 that we had remaining because it'll anyways give us the same answer. 4.31.
What do you mean? Isn't like that the only way to do it, like the vertical thing?
Actually, no, you could just stack, no,
Okay.
but I'm just stacking them up. So, 4. Okay, when adding, you don't need you can just put the same digit since you're adding a 0, and 0 does nothing in addition subtraction problems. Okay, and then we add these parts, but it's not 8.31 since that the real one is 3.99. And since that 4 minus 1 equals 4 minus 0.01 equals 3.99, so we subtract 8.31 minus 0.01 and we get 8.3.
Good job. Okay, now to explain Neil's content a little bit more, right? Thank you, Neil. 4.31 plus 3.99. The way he is asking, he has done is, see, the thing is, this is super close to 4.00. So round it up and just say, don't do the vertical thing. Okay, you can just add this together quickly. 8.31. But you incremented by 0.01. So go back by 0.01, 8.30. Make sense?
Wait, this Gabriella.
The fifth grade kids, you're going to wait. Okay.
Oh.
Now, let's do this one. Arnav, do you know how to subtract these two, Arnav?
Yeah.
Go ahead and explain,
So
Arnav.
you align them together. So
Mm.
I don't know how to really get the pencil or like thing on the board. So
You just press
uh,
annotation.
Go ahead. Go
So
ahead, Arno.
anyway, you do that, then just subtract it like you're doing a normal thing. So, you do, so you minus a 9, into a 6, which equals 3. Then 3 minus 2 equals 1. Then you put the decimal point because it was like that earlier. And after you minus 7 with 3, and that equals 4. Therefore, the answer is 4.13. And it kind of looks like a multiplication symbol when you placed it like that earlier.
Okay, I'm sorry about it. Okay, all of you, whoever has entered the class as well, Nivina, Shrihan, Ayan, Gabriela, everybody can do this problem. Okay, can you go ahead and do this problem? Send the answer to me. Go ahead, do this problem,
Fine.
send the answer to me. All of you, Nivina, Ayan, Shrihan, you can all come on the video. It's a common problem I have given you.
I love these problems.
Nice. I just wanted to finish this, guys, okay? This is a common problem for all of you. It's not Nivina.
I'm done.
Remember?
Do you want us to round it, or do you just
I
want us
don't need to round it. I just need the exact answer.
Hello?
Yes, ma.
I can't hear you. I'm going to rejoin.
Okay.
Miss Priya, is this right?
I'm checking ma.
Miss Priya, am
Vihan.
I right? Am I right?
Never
Vihan has a
mind.
different
I
answer.
accidentally got the
Shrihan.
answer before
Yuvati
you
and
played
Vihan,
it.
I think you got it right. Yuvati and Vihan, I think you got it right.
Can I explain?
Ritu, correct.
Okay, I'm so.
Miss Priya, can I
Neil,
explain?
Illama. I want Arnav to tell what
Did
he
I get
did.
it right?
Neil, that's correct.
You.
Mira, that's correct.
Yes.
Samhit, that's incorrect. Samhit, can you explain what you did on the board? Good job, Gabriela. Samhit, can you explain what you did on the board? Naga, not really Naga. Did you add them? I asked you to subtract them.
Oh.
Go ahead.
Yeah, can I go
Okay.
to the bathroom?
Ayan, can I get your answer? Yes. We are going to finish, Madhu.
Miss Priya, am I
But I
right?
have a new answer.
Not really Arnav. So 6.6 Arnav. And then subtract
Yeah.
the dot needs to be aligned. So
Oh.
077. Wherever you don't have anything, you're going to substitute with a 0, right? I cannot subtract 7 from a 0. So what do? I go to the next house trying to borrow.
But
They
they don't
also
have a
don't have.
0.
Yeah, so I go to this digit, get a 1, meaning that becomes that 1/10, right? Becomes 100s when it come here, so it becomes a 10. 10 now from this 10 hundreds I can borrow 100, making it 900s. That 100 when it comes to the thousands place, it becomes 10,000s. 10 minus
Oh,
7
that's
is
so
3,
close.
9 minus 7 is 2, 5 minus 0. So the answer is 0.523. Do you all get
Bye.
it?
Yeah.
Wait, no,
Yep.
isn't it
Just wanted
6.523
a
because
good game.
it's
I'm
6
sorry, I'm
minus
sorry,
0 and
I'm
6
sorry.
minus 0
Miss
is 6.
Priya, can I tell everyone the game code now?
Oh, I already
No,
made a
ma.
game.
Mira,
You
I
did?
told you that the game kit you can
Yeah.
play next week.
2 7
Okay?
4 is 446.
Okay,
Okay,
I'll
guys.
host another game so everyone can play.
Guys,
7 4 4
guys,
4 6 7
Mira,
Yeah?
you're not going to play at the end of the class today. Next week we can play. I already told you, right? I don't have permission to entertain this. You see what I mean? Meaning
Yes.
you will go I'll explain to you what happens. You'll go unsupervised, right? I don't know whether parents are okay with all that. I can get you
My
to the
parents
breakout.
are okay with it.
No, that's not fine. Let them confirm in the chat, then I can go. Okay. So this week we are not going to play. You will become completely unsupervised on an online platform. I can't let you do that, ma. It's security risk for me and all of you. Okay. So we are not going to play Gimkit this week. Let's do it next week. I will arrange for a Gimkit. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
guys. See you all next week. We'll play rounding.
Bye.
Mira, I know you're a little bit disappointed, but that's okay. Okay.
Wait, what's the homework?
Considering I will update it in the Google Classroom. Have a
Okay,
nice week
bye.
ahead, guys, and we'll go ahead.
Bye. Thank
Bye,
you.
guys.
Bye. Somebody
Bye.
just
Bye,
text
guys.
my game account.
Okay,
I'm sorry, but I promise something nice next week.
okay.
Okay, Ayan, did you get the answer for this one, Ayan?
Bye.
Yeah, I
Bye, ma.
send you it
Have,
in chat.
Bye.
have a
Wait, did
nice
you
week
send
ahead.
something in? Okay, whatever. Bye.
Shrihan, your answer was incorrect. Did you see that, Shrihan?
How do I get out of here?
Bye.
Bye, ma.
Bye.
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 Bye. Shrihan, did you see that your answer was incorrect?
I know why I was incorrect.
Okay, good. That's all. As long as you understand, it's good. How about this? Point 0.5 minus. I don't want to give you vertically. You want to, I want you to do it. Okay, I'll give you a challenge problem. I'll give you a challenge problem as a continuation of this.
Wait, can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, ma. Hey, how were statistics problems? Did you all finish those?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
This
Was it
was really
doable?
hard.
But
Like
I
I
didn't get the second assignment. It said PDF something from that. I didn't get it.
We'll see, ma. We'll see. I'm going there. But do this problem, meaning it was good one, meaning for me to understand. Do you all
how did
remember
the board
decimals?
cut
That
off?
answers the question. What is it, ma?
The problem on the board is cut off. Like it's showing half for me.
Oh, I see, I see. Good to know.
Okay,
Good to
now I
know, ma.
see it.
But I don't know why. You know what I'm going to do, Gabriela? I'm going to stop share because I see the full thing. So let me
Okay.
share again. No, no, no problem. Wait. Did you do that?
Now I see it.
Okay.
இன்னும் கிளாஸ் இருக்கியா எவ்வளோ கிளாஸ் இருக்கு உனக்கு சரி பை பை
Bye, Dakana. Ah, okay. Gabriela, you cannot subtract the numerator and the denominator separately. That's so sad.
I forgot about that.
Okay, good to know. Nivina, are you able to do ma? Ayan, are you able to do
I'm sorry
that?
now.
Okay, good. Send even the first answer that you get. These are tricky problems. Because I was working with those guys with these tricky problems, I wanted to give you the same too. These are questions where everybody will make mistakes. 260.
Did I get the first one right?
1 second. 60 to 65. 1 second. 173, 175. Oh, wow. Nivina, I think it's nice work. Good job. Shrihan, the second one is incorrect, right? Shrihan, first one is correct. Ayan, first one is correct. First one seems correct. Gabriela, you can do the first one too. The second one, guys, second one, you need to be very
I'm
careful.
sending both my answers right now.
I sent both
Okay,
of my answers.
yeah, I can check Navina on the second one. Nivina, the second one is not correct, ma. What, ma? This is thousand. This is hundred. They are not in the same denominator. This one has to be 0.056. This one has to be 0.12. When you add them together, you have to align the decimal point. Align it and write it down properly. Wherever you don't have digits, you put a 0. Now, the thing is, wait, what is the operation? It's not addition, subtract. But I need to subtract this number from a bigger number, so I will rewrite this as 0.120 minus 0.056. So that gives you, there is, I make it a 10, make it 1. Now 5 can't be subtracted from 1, so this becomes 11, this becomes 0. 6 0 0.064.
Mine had a typo, so let me just fix that real quick.
Oh wow, Nivina, I go with your answer, Nivina.
Okay, because I did mine the fraction way, not the decimal.
I saw that,
Same.
ma.
Okay.
I
I
saw
did the
that late.
same.
I saw that. Oh, Ayan, wait, Ayan. Ayan, I did not see your answer, Ayan. You might have done the same, but you did not send it to me.
Yeah,
That's
I was
okay.
gonna.
Oh, okay. Shrihan, you got it, Shrihan.
Yeah.
Gabriela, okay, good. Good job, guys. Okay, you all did the right way. But Ayan's answer, I did not get it. And Gabriela, for the second one, did you understand ma how I did it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Can I move on? How about this? Um, uh, okay, okay. You all know this. Okay, now, okay. Now let's go back to our stop share. Now you want to go over the homework you said, right, guys? Give me exactly 1 minute. One second, guys. Give me
Yeah,
1 minute. I'm going back to our classroom.
yeah, I had a few questions on the homework.
Yeah. I'll open it up now. Ayan, did you have a question, ma?
No.
Can I share? Can I share my screen? And do you have the questions ready, guys? Question numbers?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, good, ma. Question numbers, questions in the homework, ma. And Ayan, you never told me what you did in class, and I never asked you about it. What are you doing in class?
We're doing this. Yeah, we're doing the same thing that I told you last time. It was the maps, charts, and graphs. Then we're doing frequency table. We're
Oh,
doing charts mostly.
okay, statistics, right?
Yeah,
Is that easy for you?
yeah.
Did you have to learn something new in school, or was it this similar to what we are doing?
It's similar.
Okay, that's good to know. Okay. Okay. Let me go ahead and ask you this now. What is your question? Oh, this is our homework. Go ahead. Go ahead. What is your questions? Go ahead, Nivina.
Um, for number 7,
Number
I'll,
7. Okay.
I was really confused on it, but I got an answer, but it wasn't equivalent to like the answer key
Okay,
answer.
okay, okay. Let me check on that. What is the difference in cups between the total amount of flour in all bags holding one 3 by 4 cups and the total amount of flour in all bags holding 1 cup? 1 minute, ma. Use the dot plot below to answer questions 5 to 8. Okay. What is the difference in cups between the total amount of flour in all bags holding one 3 by 4? Okay. And the total amount of flour in all bags holding 1 cup. Okay. This is the total amount of flour. Here, what is the total amount of flour? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 3 by 4, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is what? 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is 1.5, right? 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3. So here it is a 7. Here it is a 2. So answer should have been A. What was the answer, ma?
So I got like when they said difference, I thought that they meant like 1/3 minus 1, which is just 3/4. So I thought it was C, but it was A. That's what I saw.
But do you understand why?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. Okay. Any other questions? Any other question? Okay. You guys, can you answer this question without looking at your answers or without looking at your homework? Can you answer the question number 6 for me? Can you do this? Can you do that for me? How many bags of flour contain strictly more than 1 by 4 cups of flour? Quick, guys. Good job, Shrihan. Good job, Nivina. Gabriela and Ayan, can you send the answers to me? I can, yeah. Ayan, I'm waiting for your answer, Ayan. Ayan, you got it. Gabriela, did you get ma?
I'll send it. 1 second.
Yeah, please. Done, guys? Gabriela, I'm only waiting for your answer. Can you send that to me? Yes.
Oh, I did send it.
But how is it for Seema is strictly more than 1 by 4, right, ma? Strictly more than 1 by 4 cups of flour means 1 by 4 is here. So these are all the cups that are greater than 1 by 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is B.
Oh, okay.
Did you get it? Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Now, rather than reviewing, I would like to review, but at the same time, I don't know. Okay, wait. 1 second, guys. Now for this one, what I would like to do is, I want to go to let's see. When is your start, guys?
My start is in
When?
like April.
April.
Mine's in
Yeah,
April.
April.
April. Okay. Okay, I don't see it. Okay, let's see. I just want to discuss the frequency table quickly. Okay. So basically, I just want to do the frequency table. Okay. Okay, did they discuss what is a frequency table? What
Yeah.
is a Uh-huh. So let's say in this class, okay, in this class, let's say there are 24 kids in this class. Okay, I go ahead and ask, hey, do you like what flavor of ice cream do you like? If I ask that, each of you can come up with one. Suppose there are 24 kids, okay, each one will say what? I like mango, I like
I can't
apple,
hear you.
I like banana. So
I can't
each
hear
of you,
you.
who can't hear ma?
Can hear you.
Should I log off
Wait, Srihan, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can
and
hear
join
you.
back?
Yes, Nivina, you have to log off and log back in. Yes. Nivina,
Okay.
you have to log. Okay, now,
You're muted.
why in the world did I mute myself? I was talking. I'm creating a frequency table based on this data. So, you know what I'll do? I'll write, okay, apple. I'll write mango. Then I'll write banana. Then I'll write, then I'll write orange. Then I'll write, that's it, right? So apple,
Yeah.
I'll go ahead and count. Frequency means the number of times something appears. One, two, three, four. Then what? Five, six, seven. That's it, right? Mango. One, two, three, four, five, six. Then banana. One. Mango, I missed one. See? I missed two. Eight. Okay, banana. Let me see banana. One, two, three, four. That's it, right? Five. Orange. One, two, three. Make sense, guys? The number of times apple appears is written here.
There's
Apple appears
6
in this.
bananas.
There are six bananas. Did I miss one?
Yes.
One, two,
The 6.
three, four, five, six bananas. Good job, Ayan. So this is called a frequency table, documenting how many times something appears in a data is the frequency table. Can I move on, guys?
Yes.
Okay, now suppose let's say mm, let's say wait. 1 second, guys. I really want to. Okay. Do you know how to make this into a frequency table? I am tabulating the rainfall received on each day. Rainfall received on, let's say, a consecutive period of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I am recording the rainfall at a particular place for 11 days. Can you daily, okay, daily whatever rainfall came in, I recorded that into my book. Now I want to construct a frequency table of the measurements. How to construct the frequency table? You guys tell me. What will be the
I can tell.
columns? What will
I
be the
can tell.
go ahead.
So on one side, you have to make like a T chart, and on one side it has to say rainfall,
Mm-hmm.
and the other side it has to say like tallies.
Mm-hmm.
So rain, uh, yeah, millimeters and tallies,
Uh-huh.
tally. No, like
Tally. Okay.
write tally. Yeah, okay. And then you're supposed to write like the numbers of rainfall. So like 2, 3, 4, and like 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're supposed to do tallies on how many of them are there. So there's 4 twos. So you have to do 4 tallies for 2. And then there is
Threes.
3 threes. So you have to do 3 tallies for 3s. And then there's 2 fours.
And
And
then
there is 1 5.
good job. So this is how you do the frequency table for a set of data points. Now, you know what? I'm going to give you something to interpret. Let's see. Okay, how about? I can't give you this easy questions. Let's see. Okay. Mm, 1 second. I can't do this. Hold on. 1 second, guys. Okay, how about this? Okay, guys. You are going to give me 1 exact minute. My charger is draining out. I have a power bank. I'll bring it. But you know what? I want you to write this into a frequency table clearly. Show it. Meaning, I'll ask you some questions. You can answer that. Now, construct a frequency table. Okay. Uh, construct a frequency table. I think that's enough. Construct a frequency table is enough. Construct a frequency table, but you don't need to do the second one right off the bat. I don't know. I want to check on that as well. You see, let's see. Let's do the first one first, and then for each of the values, for each of the rows, right? For each of the rows, I want you to tell the corresponding fraction. Let's see whether you're able to do. I don't know, ma. This is just a test, and it is a little above the scope. Okay, this one you're going to tell the following data represents distance in mile of students. Okay, this is distance, this is frequency in miles, frequency. Okay, give me 1 exact minute. I have to bring the power bank. You are going to give me 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so go ahead and do this. Go ahead, guys.
Yeah, I'm finished. Should we show it?
No, I really want you to tell me some questions. Um, should we show it? Okay, let's see. How many rows did you have, Ma?
4.
Good job. 4. So let's go ahead and tabulate it. Uh,
1.
okay.
1.5.
1.5.
2.25.
How many, Ma? 1.5.
Oh, 3.
Okay, good. Now, Ayan, did you finish? What is the next one?
1.1 half. 1 and 1 half. Oh, sorry.
One. No, one
Sorry.
and one
Thanks for the
half.
fraction.
The next one's I did 2.25.
Yeah, 2.25.
But
Sorry.
1.75 is next, right? Did you do that, Ayan?
Yeah, but I
How
just did
many?
it in a different order.
Oh, how many is that?
2.
2.25?
3.
Yeah.
4. 4.
Gabriel, Gabriela, what about 3? How many threes?
3.0 is 3.
Good. Now, now, what I wanted from you was I wanted you to be able to convert to fraction form for the distance. The distance, I wanted you to convert to the fraction form. What is the fraction of 1.5?
1 and 1 half.
Uh-huh. Gabriela, what is the fraction of 1.75?
1 and 70.
1 and 3/4, right? It's
Yeah.
like 75 cents, right? Yeah. What is this 2.25? 2 and
1/4.
1/4. What is 3? 3 by 1, right?
3 by 1. Yeah.
Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Okay, now we're all good with this. Now, no. Okay, that's good. Um, you're going to give me exactly 1 minute on this. I would just want to see whatever we are missing. Okay, wait. This one. This is elementary. Okay, have you all started working with your state test papers, guys?
No.
Gabriela, what's the state test you will attend, ma?
Mine's in April, so it's not very close, but we are doing a lot of tests this week.
Yeah. I started a math project.
Going
It was my math project was about frequency tables and stem and leaf dot plot more.
Oh, that's nice. STEM,
Ours has
I
been
see.
more like fractions, like adding, subtracting with unlike denominators, and then subtracting and adding with whole numbers with unlike denominators.
Oh,
We're
I
doing
see.
metric.
You're
We're doing
doing
data
what?
analysis.
The metric and customary systems.
I see, I see. I know, I just want to be sure. Okay, see, we covered the statistics part. I'm just making sure whether we are done with everything. Thing is, we did bar graphs, frequency tables, correct, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Stem and leaf plots we did, right? Dot plot we did.
Yes.
Scatter plot is the scattered points in a graph. That we did, right?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, now how about this? Uh, okay. Okay.
Oh, are we doing extra 15 minutes today or no?
Today, ma, sure, yeah. Yeah. Wait, ma, but I don't want to give you these ones. Let me see. And metric conversions is something I want to review too. But metric conversions, I feel like we have done enough in your class, right? Isn't it?
Yeah, I'm pretty good with that already.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I feel like it. But let me see. Let me see, ma. Metric conversions is something I would like. Let me select. We should have it. Let's see. Okay. Uh, okay. Now let's see this question. This is a differently worded question. Let me see how you're able to answer this one. Please don't shout out your answers. Send it to me in chat. Which scenario requires a scatter plot to analyze the relationship between variables? I am not sure. How will you do this? Let's see. Do it, guys. Do okay. I have one answer though. Shrihan, I got your answer. But why, Shrihan? Why did you choose a scatter plot for B? Can you explain?
Sure. And for number of apples sold per month, you could do a bar graph. You could do a
Yes.
bar
Good.
graph for that.
Good.
And then so and people don't usually you don't usually do scatter plots for
Mm-hmm.
something like sold per month and like comparisons.
Mm-hmm.
And tracking the outside temperature versus number of ice cream cones sold also could be a double bar graph if you put two bars and compare them, and showing
Good
the
job.
percentage
Okay.
of of students who prefer pizza, tacos, and burger. You usually would do a frequency for that or a tally chart.
I agree. Okay, okay. I really want you to understand the difference between these data. See, this is categorical data. This is category data, right? You put them into different categories, right? Percentage of students who prefer pizza, tacos, and burgers. So, category data, you can either write a frequency table, you can clearly write a frequency table for it. Vihan, but how did you decide between B and I'm sorry, Srihan, how did you decide between B and C?
No, I said B because C is like it's like doing like tracking outside temperature and number of ice cream cones sold, which you usually would do a double bar graph.
I thought
And B,
Okay, I'm listening. Who, Nivina, you were about to say something. Go ahead. Srihan has said something about B and C. What did you want to say, Nivina?
I thought it was C. I don't know because like it's comparing it, and maybe you could use a like scatter plot for it. Like I'm not sure though. I think though.
I think it's B because C has two different type of comparisons and B has five different species of trees. So it's like
So,
five different comparisons.
very nice discussion, guys. So, scatter plot is used when is a scatter plot used?
Oh, because that's only comparing two, and you're supposed to compare multiple.
Yeah, scatter plot is mainly used to compare two quantities. So, which one is it?
C.
C, tracking the outside temperature versus the number of ice cream cones, because comparing the heights of 5 different species of trees cannot be done on a scatter plot, right? 5 different, see this tree, you can do, you can't even do a bar graph on it. So comparing the heights of 5 different species of trees can't be done in a scatter plot. Scatter plot really requires two different quantities that can be labeled on the x-axis and y-axis. Outside temperature, like this is the number of ice cream cones sold. Did you guys get it? There are two different quantities that are being compared, and that's when I use a scatter plot. Gabriela, are you clear?
Yes.
Okay, good. How about this? Um, I'm going to give you this. I don't know whether you'll be able to do this. Let me see. This is a good review. Is that small, guys? Go ahead and do this one. Go ahead. Did you guys get it?
Almost.
Mm-hmm.
Almost.
Solving
No,
it.
you take your time, guys. We done, guys?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. That's right, Navila. Mhm. Shrihan correct. Ayan correct.
I have a question.
Yes, tell me what is your question.
Can I explain how I did it after everyone's done?
Absolutely, yes. You got it right, Navina? Yes, Ayan. Good job. Gabriela,
She can explain. I'm sending my answer right now.
good job. Yeah, ma. I'll wait. Navina, 1 minute, ma. Let her send and then you. Okay, sure, ma. Go ahead, Navina, explain.
Should I annotate or should I just explain?
Annotate and explain like a teacher.
Okay. So first it says 1 inch
Go ahead, ma.
represents
You go ahead, ma.
15 miles, which means um 4.5 inches equals we would have to multiply that by 15 because 4.5. So you're not supposed to line up multiplication and division, so um, I just did it like that and then multiply. I did 5 times 5, which equals 25. Then 4 times 5, which equals 20. And then plus 2 is 22. And then put a 0. And then 5 times 1 is 5. And then 4 times 1 is 4. And then when I add both of them, I get 5, 7, and then 6.
Mm-hmm.
But then there's one decimal point, so I
Good
have
one.
1 right here. So it's
Very good one, Nivina. For those of you who want to do it quickly, right? See, guys, you can do a double bar, right? 1 inch is 15 miles, right? 1 inch is 15 miles, right? So now 4.5 inch. So let's go with 2, 30, 3. What happens? You go on increasing by 15, right? It's so easy to do it this way. 4 is 60. Now I have to another half a mile. Half a mile means 1 mile was 15. I have to add just 7.5 to go to 4.5. If it is 4.5, I add 7.5, 67.5. How is that?
good.
Easy?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, guys. Okay, now, okay. Um, how are you all practicing for your star? Tell me. Shrihan and Ayan, tell me how are you all practicing for your star?
I'm just doing like practice tests
From the,
on the
uh-huh.
website.
Okay, I'm going to show you something. I don't know whether you, what ma?
Today at school, we did a practice star test to get us all ready.
Okay, that's fine, but can I go ahead and show you something? I don't know what you guys are doing if you just say like this, but I'm going to show you something. This is not for Gabriela though, but let's see. You're going to go to grade 5, right? You're going to go to grade 5. In the grade 5, what happens? Um, you see here, I really want you to do one. See, are you doing, have you done the 2025 form?
Yeah, I done it already. I did it on this one that you opened right now.
You did it on this one.
I didn't
Okay.
do this.
I,
Okay. Wait, I want to.
I did the math test, the form I don't know about.
One second, guys. Okay, you did that in the form. So you went to 5, you went here. Is that what it is?
I think. I think I went to the math, the star test site, the star test.
Okay.
So
So did you do the 2024? Did you do the
no.
2024? Okay. Okay, guys. So let's do this. Okay, and you know what? There will always be a practice test as well. Give me a minute, guys.
Wait, why can't I do the test?
Why can't you do this test you're asking?
Yeah.
You can definitely give it a try because see, whatever it is, grade 5 is all one and the same, but there will be some benchmarks that are not applicable to you. You got it in your state. Some of the benchmarks might not be applicable to you. What is your state, Ma Gabriela? Ohio, right?
No.
Then what? I don't remember. What is that? Where do
Oklahoma.
you live? Oklahoma, yeah. See? So for you, where you need to go is in
Oh
here.
yeah, that's the one I have. Oh, so that's why.
Exactly. But have you done the practice test in here?
Not yet.
See?
We usually do the practice test like not really close to now. We do it like the day before or a few days before the actual test.
I see.
Wait,
I
I
see.
think it's like one more day. So like just say if ours was in April 5th, then we would do like the practice test on April 3rd or 4th.
Okay. Okay. For you guys, it's okay. I mean, for Gabriela, but you can continue doing this as well. Okay. At the end of it, you're all going to write the same SAT, same ACT. Okay. But the thing is, they will give it in different years. Some benchmarks might be different. Guys, for you all, for the others, right? 2025, 24, 23. Can you complete it this week? 2025, 24, 23. Can you complete it this week?
The math test?
Yes. No, the STAR test.
Yeah, the star math one.
Yeah, man.
I'll try.
2025, 2000.
Things are going to be there.
Finish this week. But you have to send me a screenshot. You got it?
Wait, what if I already did it? I did it like yesterday. Yeah, I did it
Uh-huh.
yesterday.
Uh-huh. How many were incorrect and how many were right?
I got 5 wrong.
Please tell me what are those questions, right? Send me a screenshot, right? Send me screenshot of incorrect questions. Can you do that?
I don't know if it's still there. I don't think so.
See, how will we know? How will you be able to correct it, right? That is why just retry, go back and see which questions you got wrong and then send it to me. And
Oh,
Ayan,
okay.
no, wait, Ayan. You can do 2024 and 23 and tell me as well. But 2025 is the most important one. Please go over, just skim through, see which ones you went wrong and send it to me. Is it too much?
No.
Okay, okay. All of you can do that, right? So for Gabriela, you need the link, right, ma?
Yeah.
Okay. So 2025, grade 5. You know how to go there now?
If you send it to my dad, I think we could get there.
Okay, he'll figure it out for you. Okay. So see, it's nice to. I know it's Texas link, but then I don't see practice tests for you basically. But I can separately give you a practice test if you want. But however, having said that, this is a very standard assessment, which is very nice. So I really want you to try that. Make sense, ma?
Yeah.
For you separately, if you want, I can give that for Oklahoma. Okay.
I
Now,
think it's okay. I think I can do
yeah. See, that's what I also feel. At the end of it, it's all grade 5 math, and it's important. And what I have seen is Texas is the exam content, the questions that come in this exams are of good quality. See what I mean, ma?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let me go ahead. I wanted to review something I told you. So wait. Categorical data represent discrete scatter plot. We did stem and leaf plot, bar graph, dot plot, frequency table. We did all that. Personal financial literacy. We can do it later. Okay. Now I want to. Okay. Uh, let's say I'm going to go a little further and make you work on something. Let's see.
We
You know
have
what I want to.
Is
Okay.
today's class extended?
Oh yeah, ma. Till just another 20 minutes, ma. That's all.
Okay.
Okay. Not more I'll take because Ayan says he has to go for dinner and stuff. I don't want to intervene with all that, but at the same time, I just want to get things done as well. Otherwise, it'll keep on moving, and it is very difficult for me to coordinate with you all to come to a same day, same time. You see what I mean? That's why this is the only way for me to get that extended. Does
Wait,
that
is it
sound?
only our class that has the extension, or is it every class on Monday or any
No,
other day?
ma. Only your class has it. Okay. So here, because I cancelled your class one day, right?
Yeah.
That's the reason. Okay, now I wanted to discuss a little bit more on decimals, which we already did. Okay, can you convert this to decimal? We'll be reviewing a little bit from the old portions. When I look through, I really want to do more. Are you able to do, ma?
For some reason, I don't know why I don't see the problem. It's not showing me half, but I can only see what.
Yeah, there.
Yeah, there we go.
Ah, I see. I know what is going on, Gabriela. I know what's going on. Go ahead and convert to decimal now. I'll be sure not to do that. Yeah, Ayan, you're good in this. Shrihan, good. Nivina, good. Gabriela, do you know how to convert it? And for the others, right? Can you go ahead and do this one? 1 by 20 to a decimal.
I'll do that one. Yeah.
Do both, ma, Gabriela.
Okay.
Ah, Nivina, good job.
Wait, I think I did it wrong, right? Is it right?
Uh,
Was I supposed
um,
to throw in the middle of 0.5?
okay. Nivina, correct. It is incorrect. But what is incorrect about it? Good job, Ayan. What is
I
incorrect?
actually typed that actually. I was gonna tell you, but then you said it was correct and I was
No,
confused.
no. Send the right thing to me.
Okay, here. Yeah, I sent it.
Uh, e- Gabriela, 913 divided by 100, right? Gabriela, there are two zeros, right? So from the end, you go back only two decimal places. It's 9.13. Second one, you can never do 1 divided by 20 is what, ma? You have to bring these to a 10 or a 100 or a 1000. Then only you can convert to decimals.
Okay.
Without, you have to bring your denominator to a 10 or a 100 or 1000. Now 20 times 5 is a 20 times 5 is a 100. 5 times 1 is a 5. So 5 divided by 100 will be equal to 0.05.
Okay,
Make
okay.
sense?
Yes.
Get it.
How about this? 3.4. How about this? 3 point 0999. What sign goes here? Less, greater, equal. Convert convert 1 by 25 to a decimal. You know what? I wanted to teach percentage fraction decimal to you. That is why I'm bringing back decimals. Let's see. There are two questions on the board. I would like you to do percentage fraction decimal conversions. Let's make this thorough and then go there. Good job, Nivina. Shrihan, good job. Good job, Shrihan, on both. Ayan, can I get your answer, Ayan?
Yeah, I'm sending it.
Did I get it right?
Both are right. Ayan, both are right. Ayan, yes, Ayan, that's correct. Gabriela, that's right too. Gabriela, I told you right. No, 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 no. It's not 1.25. You cannot do like that. I'm saying. Did you bring the denominator to 100? Did you bring the denominator to 100? Times 4 times 4. Please rewrite the fraction that becomes 4 by 100. What happens, Ma Gabriela, after that? This is 4 hundredths, right?
Mm-hmm.
4 hundredths means what? 4 hundredths. What it is. Make sense?
Yep. I keep.
Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Now, okay. Guys, okay. Here, if I give you, you know how to convert this. 0.04. When you want to convert it to a fraction, that will become 4 by 100, right? This is 4 hundredths. Now, how to convert it to a percent? What is percentages? I'll tell you what is percentages. This is a new concept, not in 5th grade, but a higher level, okay? But I really want you to understand this. Per means divide, cent means 100. So basically, when you see this percentage sign, you can substitute it with the division by 100. You can substitute it with the division by 100. Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Wherever you see the percent sign, you can replace it with division by 100, right? Now, let's say you have 5 percentage. What does it mean? What does this mean? You cannot remove it just like that. You cannot remove it just like that.
5 times 100. I mean, not times, divided by 100.
Yeah, you cannot remove it like this, but yeah, exactly, this becomes 5 by 100 as a fraction. Do you all get it? And the decimal
Yeah.
equivalent is 0.05. How easy it is. Now,
Uh-huh.
how about this? If I give you 40%, sorry. If I give you 45%, what is the simplified fraction? What is the simplified fraction? What is a simplified fraction? I'm going to wait and see. You know what? I wanted to follow the book for you. Hold on. I have the book, right? Go ahead, guys.
Almost done.
Hey, please take your time. No hurry. Nivina, okay. Are you able to do you have to simplify the fraction and tell me. Good job, Ayan. Very nice, Ayan. Did you get it?
Yeah.
What is a decimal?
The decimal?
Uh, this one comes in sixth grade, okay? You guys are really good, okay? We are almost done with the fifth grade standards. Why can't I do more is what I'm thinking with you all. Okay, go ahead. We will keep reviewing the fifth grade because see that's why I'm saying please do the three star papers and send me the questions where you made mistakes. Okay, I'll give you more on those benchmarks.
I don't know why, but I do not see the question.
Oh, you
I
don't see the
can't see the
question.
question either. Okay, now I can.
Now I
Oh, you
see
don't
it.
see? Okay. Okay, go ahead.
I sent you the decimal.
I sent you the simplified version.
Fraction. Okay, good. Ayan, you made a mistake. Ayan. Okay, let me tell you the steps. Please change the denominator to 100. Do the same thing in the numerator. Rewrite the fraction and then do.
Wait, did I get the simplified version correct?
Nivina and Shihan, I didn't check your answer. Yes, you.
Because I was confused on the.
Answer.
Nivina, do it again. Do the simplification again.
Like again, as in like I did it wrong, so I should do it again. Or again, I need to do it one more time.
Okay. Shrihan, you did not simplify. Nivina, your simplification is incorrect. Ayan, your conversion to decimal is incorrect. Decimal, please do. Please do. Please do. Decimal conversion, please do slowly. Okay, let me show you this one, guys. Next one you can do. See, guys, this, you can rewrite this as 45 by 100, correct? Division by 100, right? So when you convert it to a decimal, it's 45 hundredths, right? 0.45. That's it.
Oh,
Whereas
I did the decimal conversion to my answer. So whatever the answer my answer was, I converted the decimal of
yeah,
that.
Ayan, but still that is incorrect, right? Let me show you. I'll tell you, both should get you the same answer, Ayan. I'll show you here. 5 nines are 45, 5 twos are 10. Nivina, it's not 25, it's 20, Nivina, first of all. Okay?
Oh, okay.
And Ayan, for your answer, 9 by 20, right? 9 by 20 is a simplified fraction. That's correct. But Ayan, if you even if you convert this to a decimal, it should get you to 0.45.
Wait,
Did you get it?
So I just need to put the decimal before the 4 and 5.
I get the top. I just don't
Yeah,
get how it's
see, Ayan, think about it this way, Ayan. 45% is written, 1 minute, Ma Gabriel, I'll come to you, I'm sorry. 45% is written as 45 by 100, right, Ma?
Yeah.
So that you can directly convert it here, right, Ayan?
Yeah.
Okay, now the last thing, 5, 1 by 2. Can you, let's see, I want you to convert it to a decimal first. What is the decimal equivalent of 5.5? What is the decimal equivalent of 5.5? Who can tell me?
Me.
Yeah, you can shout it out if you want to. We are just discussing. I wanted more of a discussion.
5.5?
5.
Good job, 5.5.
I sent it to you too. So.
Nice work. Now, let's see if I give you 1 by 7. What do you do, guys, to convert it to a decimal? That's so hard, right? Huh?
You multiply it to the nearest like.
You multiply by what? You can't make it to a 10 or 100 or 1,000.
Wait. Oh.
Oh. I'll give you more examples of that.
You to a
Can you-
decimal you can divide it.
Yeah, you can just divide it. Which goes outside? Gabriela, which of these goes outside? Gabriela, which of these goes outside? 1 divided by 7.
Wait, one sec. Yeah.
What goes outside? 7 or the 1? 7 should come here or 1 should come here?
1.
No, the top one. 1 divided by 7
Oh.
means 1 is protected.
1's inside,
The
then
top
7.
is your king. Yeah. and then that is divided by 7. But here, how many 7s go in 1? 0.
0.
7 times 0 is a 0. 1 minus 0 is a 1. Now you don't have anything to bring down. So put a 0 from the brain. This one we did already. So you put a dot. Whenever you put a 0 from your brain, you put a dot. Now only one dot you can put. How many 7s in 10? 1. 7 times 1 is 7. 3 is coming. You put a dot from you put a 0 from your brain because there is nothing to bring down. But again you cannot keep the decimal, so you keep quiet. Find out how many 7s go in 30. 4. This is 28. Remainder is 2. Now again I put a dot from the brain. 7 twos are 14. So 6 is your carry. 7 eights are 56. 4 is your carry. 7 fives are 35. 5 is your carry, 50. 7 sevens are 49. 1. It again goes back to 1. So 0.142853 keeps on repeating. So that's why I put a dash on top. The conversion 1.7, when I convert it to a decimal, it becomes 0.142853. Again, it goes to 142853. Instead of writing it again and again, I put a dot on those dash on those digits, telling that they get repeated. Make sense?
Yes.
This is a step above your class level, okay? But see, we have to learn. Make sense?
Yeah.
If I give you 1 by 3, what is a decimal? Now you try. Again the same division, because you cannot convert your denominator to a 10 or a 100 or a 1000. Okay, we'll do one thing, guys. From this week, I'm going to go benchmark by benchmark. I will revise. Does that sound good, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, we will go with right from the start. We'll go ahead, okay? Number 2 this week I'm going to give. Um, do you get it, guys?
Yeah.
What is it? You learned a little bit today. I introduced you to percentage. I made you do conversion to decimals for things that are hard. Very nice, Gabriela.
Wait, can I say the
Zero.
answer?
Yeah, you can say the answer.
I send you
It's
there.
like 0.9 with a dash on top, so it's forever. It's
Not really.
0.999 and it just
Not
goes on.
really, Ayan. Not really, Ayan. See. 1 second.
I got 0.333.
Yeah, that's what I got.
That was 9.
1 divided by 3. I'm going to show you. 1 divided by 3. Now, how many 3s in 1? 0. 3 times 0 is 0. Shrihan, watch out, Shrihan. 1. Again, how many 3s? You put a 0 from the brain, put a dot. How many 3s? 3, 9, and then 1 remainder. Again, see, the same thing goes on repeating, right? So, where do you stop? The first time you see that number, you stop. 3 goes on repeating. So, here itself, you'll stop. Make sense? Or you can just write the answer as this. You can write the answer as this. That means and so on. It goes on. Make sense, guys? Shrihan, how did you get 9?
I was accidentally putting the 9 on top instead of the 3. I thought it was like,
Okay. Here on the quotient, huh? Okay, how about this? One last question. With this, I'll conclude. Okay, how about this? If I give you 5%, what is it as a decimal? That's a tricky question. What is it? Please do write it. Write it as a fraction, then do it as a decimal, then you can leave. 5% is a decimal. I won't take much of your time. can leave after this.
I sent it.
Okay, probably see this week I'll give you still on statistics and metric conversions review. Next week I'll start from the benchmark 2. Okay? We will slowly revise one by one from next week only, not this week in home.
I sent you it.
I sent you.
Yes.
I sent you.
Shrihan, it's see the decimal place. Ayan, you can log off. Gabriela, you can log off. Nivina, you can log off.
Bye,
Shrihan,
thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank
bye,
you.
ma. Have a nice week ahead, guys. 5 divided by 100, Shrihan, is 0.05, Shrihan.
Yeah,
You
no,
need
I
to
did
be
a typo on accident.
Oh,
I
okay.
was I was gonna put that. All right, bye.
Good job, Shrihan. Nice work.